Welcome to the Tillamook Cheese Factory, where dreams are made of milk and calories simply don't count. Each year, more than 1 million visitors come here to get a taste of Oregon's cheesiest attraction. Let's take a look inside. Before you even step inside, you're greeted on the street by the famous Tillamook sign and the Morning Star ship, a replica of the original vessel built by farmers in 1855 to carry their butter to Portland. Because the roads were so bad, they literally built a boat to sell dairy. That's commitment. Just a few steps away, the smell of fresh waffle cones hits you, and the entrance basically whispers, "Come in, resistance is futile." Up the stairs, you'll find the viewing deck, the VIP lounge for cheese lovers. From up here, you can watch the entire production floor through giant windows. No hairnets required here. Lucky us. First stop, the cheese vats. Each massive stainless steel vat holds up to 53,000 pounds of milk. That's basically a dairy hot tub for future grilled cheese sandwiches. After aging, the cheese is cut into perfect blocks, and yes, this is the only place where cutting the cheese is fully encouraged. Every block is inspected by real humans. The factory produces over 170,000 pounds of cheese every day, so that's a lot of cheddar to check. Finally, it's wrapped and boxed. In a year, they make enough cheese to fill 11 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Now that's a party I'd attend. No tour is complete without a stop at the gift shop. You'll find cheese samples, Tillamook merch, and probably a cow on a pair of socks. And then, the ice cream. Made with 13% butterfat. Tillamook scoops are extra creamy and dangerously good. Do you need it? Maybe not. Will you get it anyway? Absolutely. Thanks for joining us at the Tillamook Cheese Factory, where the cheese is sharp, the ice cream is creamy, and the puns are extra mature, just like the cheddar. If you like this tour, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Oregon adventures, and tell us in the comments what's your favorite Tillamook flavor. I'm Team Extra Sharp Cheddar, but the ice cream is making a strong case.